Hey everybody, we're here on East 80th Street here today on Manhattan's Upper East Side. We're at 82 East 80th Street, and we're here today to mourn the building that was once called the Art Deco Temple. That was the Ziegfeld Theater, which opened on 57th Street and 6th Avenue in 1927 after it was paid for by William Randolph Hearst. The building seated 1,600 people, catered to a wide audience, vaudevillians, big-time Broadway performers and singers, musicians, all sorts of things. And like many things, the Great Depression affected the Ziegfeld Folly. They couldn't fill it. They couldn't pay people enough to play there. And eventually it went to being movies, of course. They showed movies there. They made movies there. And it was a studio for quite a while. But in 1966, the building was too big, and they couldn't really find a lot of use for it. So just after destroying the Beaux-Arts masterpiece, the Penn Station train station, they destroyed the Ziegfeld Theater, took it right down to the ground. Nothing survives of it. But obviously, we're not on 57th Street and 6th Avenue, where the Ziegfeld was. We're here on 52 East 80th Street to show you the only piece of the Ziegfeld Theater that's still around. Now, remember the Ziegfeld Follies, the Ziegfeld Girls? That's what we're talking about. Now, a man named John Hammond knew the man who bought the Ziegfeld Theater, and he thought there's no way he's going to tear it down. This is 1966. Everyone was, the new preservation landmarks foundation had just formed. They thought there's no way this guy's going to tear it down. And John Hammond said to his friend, "Hey, if they tear that down, if you tear that building down, I want the head of one of those statues." So on October 2nd, 1966, John Hammond got the head of one of the statues from the original Ziegfeld Follies Theater, and this is it. This is the only piece of that beautiful building that survives to this day. I'm glad it's there, but it's also a little sad. So anyway, I'll see you here soon on 1 Minute Walking Tours.